Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the turbidity sensor on this GE dishwasher.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, remove the two mounting screws holding the dishwasher to the counter. If your dishwasher is pressed tightly against the bottom of the counter, you may need to adjust the leveling legs before pulling it out. Depending on your installation, you may also need to disconnect the water and power before sliding it out. Grasp the dishwasher by the legs and slide it out. Do not grab the dishwasher by the door when removing it. With your dishwasher pulled out, you can now access the turbidity sensor. This repair is usually done with the dishwasher standing up, but for the purpose of this video, we've laid the dishwasher on its back. Grasp the wiring connector for the sensor and pull it straight off. Next, loosen the 5/16 screw holding the clamp together. Be sure to have a shop vac and towels nearby in case your dishwasher still has water in it. Once the clamp is loosened, work it out of place to break the seal on the sensor. Then wiggle the sensor out and set it aside. When installing the turbidity sensor, make sure the tab on the sensor lines up with the notch on the sump. Press the sensor into place until it's seated firmly. Next, make sure the clamp is past the ridge on the sump before tightening it. Tighten the 5/16 screw on the clamp until it's snug. Install the wiring connector to the sensor. It can only fit on one way, so there's no chance of installing it incorrectly. Now, slide the dishwasher back into place and reinstall the screws mounting it to the counter. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.